welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be making a video. Yeah, a normal video, but today something is a little different. I went to my friend's birthday today, and then I got a goodie bag. You want to see what's inside? Okay, this is a sneak peek. Oh, too much. Oh my god. Oh, there's one more card. So let's start with this. I have this Yan Yan. Is it Yan Yan? I think I pronounced it wrong, but never mind. A Yan Yan biscuits. Is that biscuits? Yeah, I think so. Maybe. And I got Kinder Joy. Yay, Kinder Joy. I got a girl one. It's good because I'm a girl. On the birthday, I see people like, this one's for a boy, this one's a girl, this one's is for a boy, this one's for a girl. I don't know why they're doing this, but actually, oh, because there's Kinder Joy inside. And I got a girl one, because I'm a girl. Next, I got this Cocoa Pops. I know it's backwards, but, you know, just see. COCOPOPS. Good. We have two of these cookie biscuits. I don't know. Loca? What's that? Never mind. And we also got Pucky. Now move on to the toys. We've got this thing. I don't know what this calls. You do this actually, and then see, and then you can take it off. Next, we got this. What's this? Okay. This thing. Can someone help me read it? Or can someone tell me what dinosaur is this? Because I'm a little bit confused. Oh, I know these stuffs. Is there anything? Oh, there's a brush. Oh, I know what that's for. So let's untie it. Oh, I need scissors. I need scissors. Can you help me take scissors, Dad? Sorry, I'm talking to my dad. Ugh, it's very hard. I think I know what's a brush for. This for this dino egg. I see this on TikTok. You just need some water and then you put it in, wait for it to melt, and we use this and then dig it, and we'll find a mini dinosaur inside. My friend told me that, but I don't know if it's true. So yeah. There's actually mini dino erasers and some dinos inside, but I think it's in the car. Never mind. But they gave us some color with a dinosaur. I think we're gonna color the dinosaur. Okay. Next, we have this. I already told you guys. So we need a bowl of water and a bowl. Dad, can you help me get a bowl and a bowl of water?
To do what?
To do this. So we're just gonna wait for my dad to get some water for this thing. So I'm just gonna unbox the tape first. Okay, it's very hard though. I think it's from here, right here. Oh my god, it's so hard to open. What are you doing? Oh my god. Okay, thank you. I need your help to open this. I think open a little bit from here, the top. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. I opened it. Sorry about the background noise if you guys heard it, because there's song and the background noise. But if you guys didn't hear it, it's fine. How do you open this? I'm having trouble opening this thing. Opening this thing is very hard. I need help. This is very hard to open. I got it. See? Right here. Okay, and then... Ooh. Oh. Never mind. This thing is open. It's very hard to open, by the way. Okay, I opened it, and it's time to put it in. You want to count down? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I need someone helping me do this. 3, 2, 1.5, 1, 0. Whoa. Oh, it's collecting the water. Now we got the brush. It's still sizzling. Okay, now I'm gonna see, now it's very watery. I'm gonna use the back of here and then start digging. Oh, did you see the little black thing? It's very cool. Let me see. See? Oh my god, I think I see it. I wonder where to buy these, because these are very cool. I think my friend bought this. Okay, I'm wiping the table to make sure it's not wet. I can see a little thing right here, so I'm gonna start from there. Oh. Okay. By the way, guys, this is a lot of work. If you think it's very soft on the camera, it's actually very hard. No. Okay. I'm so proud of myself of doing this, because it takes a lot of work. Put it in the water because I need it to melt. Why is it not melting inside the water? I think we're supposed to dig it outside.
Leave it there. No, dig it outside. Leave it there. Put inside water.
Wait.
Put that water. Just leave it there.
Yeah, okay. We have to dig it. I'm talking to my dad. Sorry, guys. Okay. Oh my god, I think I see the dinosaur's body. Oh my god, that's a whole dinosaur right there. Just have to find the tail. I got a whole piece out. Okay, and I'm trying to get this out. My table. Whatever, I'm gonna clean it up later. I actually got most of it out of the table, but it's fine. Okay, let me just wipe the table right now. I have to wipe the table a lot of times because I don't want to get wet. I found a whole dinosaur body. I'm just gonna dig it out. I'm talking to my mom, sorry guys. Tell my mom to be quiet. I got the dinosaur out. See? I'll just clean it up. See? And then I'll put it in water to clean it up. And now it's clean except for the top. So let's clean the top. Using the brush. Why is it not cleaning anything up? Okay, I think we need to put water. So that's why. And then it's clean, and I'm gonna dry it up. And then here's the mini dinosaur. Boop. Okay, wipe the table, wipe the table, wipe the table. And then after we're done wiping the table, we're just gonna put the water right there first for now. And then the next thing, we still have one last thing. A drink! Okay, let me try a little bit. Okay. Oh my god, thankfully. I think, what flavor is this? It's a little bit like grape. Yeah, and it's soda. I recommend you to buy this. Very good. And the Kinder Joy just now. Let's open it.
Too busy to cash your paycheck.
Ooh.
What do you need, buddy?
We're just gonna open the toys because you know what's inside. I'm not allowed to eat it. Right now. I have to ask my mom and dad first. So let's open the Kinder Joy.
A real bond between man and beast.
And by the way, Dad, can I eat the Kinder Joy chocolate?
Do we know that the military needs to reduce casualties? Some people think that robots are the future. But
My dad said no, of course.
killing machines 75 million years ago.
And I got an ugly toy.
Finding my progress about this festival.
Because why is that thing... Oh my god, just explain to me.
It's grown-up time. Drones can't search tunnels and caves, and they're hackable. The minute a real war breaks
How
out,
are we supposed to make this? Oh, let me check.
Look at these creatures.
I can't even make it.
Years of instinct in their cells. Instinct that
So it's supposed to be like
cannot be wrong.
this. Yeah, I did everything right.
Into the end.
Yeah, but it's just so hard to make.
But we're not. When you decide they want to be
See?
Let me remind them who it is. We terminate the road.
Okay, I got it.
Not only loyal blood
Press in.
What? What's so funny?
Okay, got it. And what's special? What's that special? Okay, it's just a doll like that. And
Stick animals have
yep. And this thing, I'm not gonna eat it.
We're sitting on a gold mine.
Bye guys.
He's using it to stop
Wait
the
a minute.
He just wants to give people
You think I really end
You think that the AIDS-richest
this
people
dinosaur
is only into oil, telecom,
is
and the fun parts?
ugly.
He's so diverse.
I'm just kidding.
How long is it?
Now we end the video. Bye. I hope you enjoy my video and
You knew the end game. These animals
toys.
will place
And
thousands on the ground.
I hope you enjoy my video. And please like, subscribe, and share so I can get more views. And if you guys wondering why I'm looking there just now, because this fell to the ground. So, bye. See you next time. See you in the next video. Bye.